Welcome to your daily meditation for determination and financial prosperity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to not miss any of our meditations and tips for an abundant financial life. Let's start. Close your eyes and begin to relax. Visualize yourself walking down a road leading to financial prosperity. This road is filled with challenges, but you have the determination to overcome them. Just like a sturdy tree, you grow and develop. Determination is the root that keeps you grounded, regardless of the storms that may come your way. As you continue to walk, visualize a rain of financial opportunities falling all around you. Each raindrop represents a chance to thrive. Your mind is focused on your financial goals. You remain disciplined, saving and investing wisely. As you persevere, your financial resources steadily grow, like an ascending chart. Remember that financial prosperity is not just for you but also for those around you. Share your journey and support others in pursuit of their financial dreams. Open your heart in gratitude for the financial achievements you've reached and those that are on the way. Now, envision a bright sunrise symbolizing a new day full of opportunities. You are determined to thrive. Open your eyes and carry on with your day, determined to achieve financial prosperity. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Wealth and Prosperity, for more guidance on achieving your financial goals. Namaste.